The Genie GTH-5519 Compact Telehandler Forklift, brought to you by Aerial Titans. The versatile solution for a wide range of tasks, whether large or small. With a 5,500-pound lifting capacity and a 19-foot lift height, the GTH-5519 tackles every job with ease and precision. Powered by a Deutz diesel engine, the Genie GTH-5519 from Aerial Titans delivers the performance and reliability you need for demanding tasks. Featuring full-time four-wheel drive and crab steering, this compact telehandler forklift ensures smooth navigation and superior control across any terrain. Adapt quickly with the manual Genie Quick-Tach Carriage, allowing for fast and easy attachment changes, including a grapple bucket, skid steer adapter plate, Quick-Tach bucket, safety work platform, and truss jibs for various lifting needs. Inside, you'll find a spacious cab with tilt steering and ergonomic controls, including a multifunction joystick for precise handling and comfort. Whether you're on a construction site, handling masonry, managing landscaping, or tackling agricultural tasks, the Genie GTH-5519 from Aerial Titans is built to perform. Backed by a factory warranty of 1 year for parts and labor, 3 years for hydraulics, and 5 years for structural components, the Genie GTH-5519 offers peace of mind and reliable performance. Elevate your productivity with the Genie GTH-5519 Compact Telehandler Forklift, presented by Aerial Titans. For more information, visit our website at aerialtitans.com or contact Aerial Titans today at 866-874-0584.